What can I tell you about Expo? So everybody's talking about Dubai South, and Expo is in Dubai South. But what makes this different probably to any other off-plan development or community that I've ever sold in is all the infrastructure's here, the businesses are here, the restaurants, the cafes, the hotels, the metro, the mall, the exhibition center, it's all here already. Just no one is living here yet, but they will be living here by the end of next year. They'll be moving into the center of Expo City, which is all part of the 2040 Urban Master Plan from the Dubai government.
We're in Al Waha 2. So right now we're walking through the oasis, which is the spine of the community, with these beautiful features that make the community look so futuristic as well. And we are about to enter the 2-bedroom loft show apartment. And it looks something like this. So you have really good quality finishes, ceiling heights that are up to 6 meters, panoramic windows. You have the kitchen over here, fully fitted kitchen appliances by Bosch. And then you have the staircase that would take you upstairs to the bedrooms. You have a bathroom downstairs over here. And you have the 2 bedrooms that are also en suite upstairs.
What's down here then?
This is the storage room. So even the storage is quite large. Yeah, huge storage room. Here we have the master bedroom, and check out the finishes for the bathrooms.
Yes.
It is gorgeous. Mosaic walls, the mood lightings. It comes with a bathtub and a walk-in shower as well.
And how many square feet is this, Aeda?
This is 1,788 square foot, around 1,000.
All internal?
All internal, all of it. We have the terrace outside that we're not even adding to the built-up. If we added the terrace, that would be almost 2,000 square foot for a 2-bedroom, which is a crazy size.
And what are we selling this for?
This is selling at 4.36.
And
That's the average.
So 1,700 square feet, 4.3.
Yes.
On a payment plan of?
50-50 on handover.
And who's buying here?
So we have a mix of nationalities, mainly Germans. We have a lot of Europeans. I mean, the client.
Which nationalities from Europe?
Netherlands. A lot of people from Netherlands recently.
How many clients?
Many are yours are yours as well. We have Germany, France, UK, even a lot of clients, thanks to Hassan House, of course. And yeah, we just have like a good diversity of clients. The ones that bought the buildings were mostly European and American nationals. So the American buyers in the market now, and especially we've been seeing it firsthand in Expo, they're really coming through and coming to.
And are they living here, or they're living in the US?
So they're living in the US mainly, and a lot of their properties in Expo, they're buying it for investment purposes. So they don't mind holding until the airport opens. They will do their ROI, and then they'll sell it later on at a crazy appreciation. When Al Maktoum, the exhibition, the mall, everything's open. Businesses move in, the festivals, the events. That's gonna be the highest peak of appreciation.